Hello everyone, so Fred here reporting on Kharon. Thank you everyone in the comment in the last video telling me that it's actually pronounced Kharon and not Karen. So I'll try to use that from now on. But first you can see now we have an opening slide. So Kharon, share your work, free and open source, of course. So yeah, I did that in Canva in the last few days. It was very fun. And yeah, we're getting closer and closer to the actual deployment of this product. And so I'm very excited about that, of course. But what you're here to say today is, of course, the new demo. Yes. So now you can see here, oh my God. So we have an actual app running and the proxy. It's been a long time in the making, but here you see we have a local, we have a Tensorboard. So like here, if you have your Modest Gates HTTP server, you click on it. Oh, wait, doesn't work. Oh my God, what did I do? Yeah, you did not see that, Alto. But yeah, so the idea is that you get here, you click on this. Oh, I see what's happening. That there's two subdomains. That's very nice. But we see here that we are actually running Tensorboard into the app. So like now imagine the use case. You are a scientist, you work for some external users, and you want to share your Tensorboard. So how would you do that? Well, you can manage permission in GCP. I'm sure that's very cool. But you can also just send them this link, modestgate.localdev.me. In the future is going to be .kharon.app, of course. But you see the idea, and then they can say, "Oh my God, your model is so good. That's insane. Look at these examples per second. Oh my God." So you see what's happening here, of course. And yeah, otherwise, so what I did mostly was to remove most of the logic in the iframe, and since now we have access to the backend URL, just use that. So very simple, very simple. And so we don't need to I think here on this instance, Claude make me overkill this by a huge margin. But yeah, we just need to do an iframe. That's all it is. And so if you remember, in the last few weeks I worked hard to hijack the iframe to understand the content, and then rework it to the proxy, but then that was so much work, it was not worth it. So instead, just an iframe, sending this to the backend, and the backend will proxy it to the server through the SSH tunnel. And so it's very secure, very cool. So now that this works, well. So what I want to do now is a couple of things. I want to publish this as Cloud Runs in GCP, and have a real live demo. Okay, so I'll take probably tomorrow. I will deploy this to GCP and then make my best effort to have a real instance. It's a bit out of my depth, but I'm a fearless leader, as you are, of course, and I'll figure it out, okay? But yeah, that's pretty cool. I like it. Same setup as last time, actually. It's it's a Docker that has our Kharon service, and it communicates with this with the main server, actually. So that's pretty fun. And also a quick note, to start this Tensorboard, I didn't have to do anything. I think it was just the regular stuff, exposing the 000 IP, and that's it. So yeah, so that's what's up for me. Thank you for tuning in, as always. If you have suggestion for this app, let me know in the comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.